Hi friends, now we are going to see how to find square root. Here we have a number 1849. The first rule to find square root, from right side we have to split as two digit. 49 is one part, 18 is the second part. So for 18 we have to find what is the nearest square root for 18. So let's find square for all the numbers. 1 square, 1 into 1, 1. 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. This 18 come close to the 60. So 4 is the nearest square root for 80. So 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. Like that, you please know all the square numbers. Now, this 18, first part, which is close to 4 fours are 16. So 4 is the first part. There are two parts in the answer. Okay, 49 is the first part, 18 is the second part. For 18, we have to find nearest square root is 4. Subtract 4 fours are 16 from this 18. You will get 2 is the remainder. That 2 should write in front of this next digit. This remainder 2. Now start to read, this is 24. How to read this? 24. Now this 24 we have to divide by one number. That number you have to multiply by 2. 2 fours are 8. 24 divided by 8. So here what first digit we got? This one you have to multiply by 2, which is 8. So 24 should be divided by 8. 3 8s are 24. So second part is 3. So almost we got the answer. 43 is the answer. Anyway, we have to verify whether this given number is perfect square number or not. That we have to verify. For that, square this 3. Square the 3 is 9. Subtract from this 9 is 0. So this is perfect square number. So 1849. The square root is 43. Shall we see one more example? 3721. So what is your first part? 37 is the first part. What is the nearest square number for 37? Which is 6 6 are 36. So 6 is the first part answer. Subtract 36 from 37, remaining 1. That should write in front of the next digit. Now read, this is 12. 12. Now what is your first part? That you have to multiply by 2. 2 6 are 12. That 12 you have to divide by this 12. So only one time. And square this 1, subtract from 1, which is 0. So 61 is the perfect answer. Square root of 3721. One more example, let's see. 2704. First part is 27. What is the nearest square root? Is 5. 5 5s are 25. Subtract 25 from 27. Balance 2. Now start reading, this is 20. So now twice this 5, which is 10. This 20 should divide by 10. How many 10s are there? 2 10s are 20. And this 4, subtract square of these 2. 4 minus 4, 0. So 52 is the correct answer for square root of 2704. 1089. What is the first part? 10. What is the nearest square root? 3. 3 3s are 9. Balance 1. Write 1 in front of the next digit 8. Read this as 18. Now twice the 3 is 6. Number of 6 in 18. 3. Now square the 3. 9. Subtract from 9 0. So 33 is the perfect answer. 2916. First part is 5 5s are 25. Balance 4 41. 2 5s are 10. 4 10s are 40. Balance 1. That right in front of the next digit. Now read, this is 60. Okay, here 41. 4 10s are 40. Subtract 40 from 41. Balance 1. Right in front of next digit 16. You have to read. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 16 0. So 54 is the square root. Now 529. So what is the first part? First part is not 52 because from right side you have to split up by 2 digit. So 29 is the second part, 5 is the first part. So for 5, what is the nearest square root? 2. 2 2s are 4, you have to subtract from 5. Balance 1, right in front of next number. Now read as 12. Twice the 2 is 4. Number of 4 in 12, 3. So now 3 square is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 23 is the correct answer. Similarly, 5 is the first part. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. 2 2s are 4. Number of 4 in 17. 4 4s are 16. Balance 1. 16. 4 square is 16. Minus 16 0. 24 is the answer. Now 3969. First part 6 6 are 36. Subtract 36 from 39. Balance 3. Now put remainder in front of next digit. Read as 36. Square twice this number is 12. Number of 12 in 36. 3 times. Square the 3 3. 9. Subtract from 9 0. 63 is the correct answer. 1296. Nearest square root for 12. 3 3s are 9. Balance 3. Write 3 in front of 9, 39. Twice the 3, which is 6. Number of 6 in 39. 6 6 are 36. Balance 3. 36 is remainder. 6 square is 36. So total answer is 36. 1089. 3 3s are 9. Balance 1. 18. And 2 3s are 6. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9. So 33 is the answer. Now 51. 7 7s are 49. Balance 2 28. Twice the 7 is 14. Number of 14 in 28 is 2. And square the 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 0. 72 is the correct answer. And 40. 6 6 are 36. Balance 4. 2 6 are 12. Number of 12 in 49. 4. 4 12s are 48. Balance 1. 16. So 4 square is 16 minus 16 0. So like that you can practice many problem, and by seeing itself you can tell the answer. 1936. 4 4s are 16 and balance 3 33. 2 4s are 8. Number of 8 in 33 8. Okay, 4 8s are. So 44 is the answer. So by seeing the question you need not write the remainder back. By seeing itself you can write. So this is 5 5s are 25. Start with 5 and subtract 25. Balance 8. 86. Number of twice the 5 is 10. Number of 10 is 86 is 8 tens are 80. Remaining 64. 58 is the answer. And 194. First part is 1. 1. 2 times. Okay. 2. Number of 2 in 9. 4 2s are 8. So 14. And here 7 7s are 49. Balance 57. 14. Number of 14 in 57. 4 times will come. So 74 is the answer. Like that, by seeing the question itself, we can tell the answer. Now we are going to extend our technique for 6 digit number, 5 or 6 digit number. Now split the digit to 2 digit. Last 2 digit, next 2 digit, and next 11 is the first part. So like the previous basic technique, we have to apply for 11. 3 3s are 9. Balance you have to subtract 9 from 11. Balance 2. Right in front of the next digit. Read as 29. Now twice the 3 is 6. Number of 6 in 29. Okay. 4. 6 4s are 24. Balance 5. That 5 you should write in front of next digit. 50. Now square the 4. 4 4s are 16. Subtract 16 from 50. Okay, you can get 34. In 34, how many 6 are there? That you have to find. 50 minus 16, 34. Number of 6 in 34. 5. 5 6 are 30. Balance 4 right in front of next digit 42. That's all. 3 pair of numbers are there. So digit will be 3 digit answer. Now some more steps is incomplete. That to verify whether the given number, this 1,19,025 is perfect square number or not. Is this 345 is the perfect answer or not? To check, we have to proceed little more. Here 4 and 5 you have to multiply. 2AB formula. So you have to multiply 2 into 2 times 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20 into 2 40. Subtract 40 from 42. We can get 2. Remainder 2 should write in front of next digit. Read as 25. Now square this 5. 5 5s are 25. Subtract from 5. 0. So 345 is the perfect answer. And this is square number. So one more problem we can try. Now we have 6 digit number. First part 27. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. Right in front of next digit. Now read as 23. Twice the 5 is 10. Number of 10 in 23. 2 tens are 20. Balance 3 you have to write in front of next digit. Read as 35. Now square the 2. Subtract from 35. We can get 31. Correct? 35 minus 4, 31. Number of 10 in 31, 3 times. Balance 1. That in front of next digit. Read as 12. Now twice these 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6 into 2 12. 12 minus 12 0. And square the 3. 9. 9 minus 9 0. So 523 is the perfect answer. So now we will try for next number. 38. 6 6 are 36. Balance 2. Right in front of next digit. Read as 29. Twice the 6 is 12. Number of 12 in 29 is 2 times 24. Balance 5. 53. Twice the 2. 4. You have to subtract from 53, which is 49. Number of 12 in 49. 4 times. 48. Balance 117. And twice the 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8 into 2 16. From 17 balance 1. And last digit square 16. From 16 subtraction 0. So perfect answer 624. We have 51. Nearest square root is 7. 49. Balance 2 22. Twice the 7 14. Number of 14 in 22. Only 1 14s are there. Balance 6. Okay, 40, 6 plus 2, 8, balance 8. Now 1 square, you have to subtract 1 square 1 from 86, which is 85. So in 85, how many 14s are there? 17, 84, so 6 times are there. Okay, 6 times 84. So balance, subtracting 84, balance 2, 25. I'm sorry, 6 times. It is 85. In 85, there are 6 times, so balance 1. Correct? I will repeat again. 51, 7 sevens are 49, balance 2, 22, 2 sevens are 14, 1 14s are 14, balance 8, 86, 1 square 1, subtract from 86 back, balance 85. In 85, number of 14s, 84, 6 times 84, balance 115, and you have to multiply 1 into 2, 1 into 6, 6 into 2, 12. So 2AB formula you have to apply 2 times 1 into 6. 12, subtract 12 from 15, which is 3, 36, square the 6, 36, subtract from 36, so 0, 716 is the perfect answer. We'll try 18, 4 fours are 16, balance 2, 25, 2 fours are 8, number of 18, 25, 3 8s are 24, balance 1, 17. Now square the 3, 3 3s are 9, subtract 9 from 17, which is 8. Number of 18, 8, 1 times. Now 2ab, 2 times 3 into 1, 6, subtract from 6, 0, and square the 1, 1, subtract from 1, 0, so 431 is the correct answer. So even for irrational numbers we can find. Here root 2. Root 2 is irrational number. The same technique we apply, we can find this many digit of approximation for square root. So this method highly useful to find the square root in fraction of second. So you please to practice more and more square problem you take and do it. And there are some backtracking technique is there in this method. So what in backtracking, sir? Suppose see that here some numbers are there, backtracking numbers. This is a general formula for this method. This is called double and add method, Dvandva. We are using to say in Vedic mathematics, we have to call Dvandva method. So single digit means square, two digit means 2 into and a b you have to multiply, three digit means 2ac plus b square. This is the formula, first term and last term. Twice the first term, product of first term and last term, and square of the middle term. That is 3 digit technique. And 4 digit 2ad plus 2bc. So using this formula only we are finding the square root problem even for irrational numbers. We have seen now here such a big irrational numbers, root 2, root 3 and all. Any number of decimal approximation we can find using the Vedic techniques. It is easy and only single digit operation only we are doing. There is no trial and error. There is no multi-digit operation here. So I think you may enjoy that. And one more technique is there in Vedic maths, that is called back tracking. Here one time backtracking is there. So when you talk about 225, so 1 ones are 1, balance 1 to 12. So twice the 1 is 2. Number of 2 in 12 is 6 2, so 12. Whereas 6 square cannot be subtracted from 5. So we have to do one backtracking. So now it becomes 5 times. So 2 is remainder. 5 5s are 25, we can subtract. Like that, this is called backtracking technique. So like that, one backtracking, two backtracking, like that. Some backtracking techniques are there in Vedic maths. Like that, here one more technique is there. Mixed integers, Mr. and Ga. So if you put some negative sign upon number, that suppose this is called 80 minus 1, which is nothing but 79. So like that, we can do some backtracking method, as well as here this method is called Reganga method. So when you have Mr. and Ga, when you have a mixed of positive negative numbers, that will be very easy to do calculation faster than usual methods. And reverse of square root is square and reverse of square is square root. So here we don't have a different method to find square or square root. Both the square and square root we are following the same method only. Suppose 34 square, we are talking about 34 square, 3 square and 2ab formula. 2 into 3 into 4 and 4 square. Using the technique only we are finding squares. Okay, so here what steps we are using to find the square? Same method only we are doing for square root. So this prove that reverse of square is square root. I think you may enjoy these sections. Thank you very much, dear students.